Welcome to this HTML tutorial on hyperlinks. We're going to create a hyperlink to access a web page on the internet. So the first thing we must do is find a space for the hyperlink to go on our page, and we'll add the tag href =, speech marks, and then we'll place the address of the web page right there. We'll close the angles and we'll add the text that will be clicked. More information on National Geographic. And now let's have a look. So here we have the hyperlink. More information on National Geographic. There's the text, and the hyperlink will take us to nationalgeographic.com. And that is how to do a hyperlink to an external web page.